Hello everyone, good morning or good evening to everyone. So today we will see one of the interesting topic in the computer basic, that is Notepad. Okay, so Notepad, I know many of you have worked on it or looking for some options to learn the Notepad, but I will be starting with the very basic things on Notepad and how it will be helpful uh, while working on your desktop or the laptop that you have. And I hope you are pretty new to work on the computer, so this Notepad topic will give you a lot of things. Okay, without wasting any time, so let me get started on this Notepad. So how this Notepad will help. Okay, and where you can see this Notepad software in your computer or in your laptop. Okay, so that is the first step. So this is a product that is given by default from the Windows operating system. So when you have purchased this laptop, by default this Notepad is already installed on your computer or your laptop. So if you are using in a Windows operating system, okay, by default Microsoft has given this particular software. Okay, now let's see, how do I open Notepad? How do I open the Notepad? Then we will see how to save some text in Notepad. In Notepad. Okay, first what we'll do, we will see how to open this Notepad application or software and how to save some text in Notepad. And what is the purpose? What is the main purpose of using this Notepad? So we will see all these things. Okay, first, as I said, first we need to open Notepad. How do I open this? Just if you are using in a Windows 10 operating system, just you click here the Windows icon, just search for Notepad Notepad, and you can see the Notepad app here. By default it will be installed, so just click on this. So now you can see this Notepad application is opened. Okay, so now if you want to maximize this particular window, how do you maximize? Just click on this square symbol, maximize, just it will maximize this. Okay, so what is the first thing I wanted to explain? So how do you open the Notepad, right? So just so this is how we open the Notepad. So I'm just trying to re-explain that. So just go to search bar here, just type Notepad, then a Notepad application will open up. Okay, if you want to maximize, you will do a maximize. If you want to close this, you just close it. Okay, and there is another way to open it. Okay, another way to open is, so you will see a window symbol. You will see a window symbol on your keyboard, plus R. So when I say plus R, it's not type 2 plus R. So Windows plus R, you should to say instead of plus R. Okay, Windows plus R. Okay, so when you hold on Windows button along with R key, a run window will be opened. Okay, in this window you can just type Notepad Notepad and just click on OK. This way also you can open a Notepad application or a software. Now I'm trying to close this. So again, once again I'm showing you, just type Notepad here and just select so that it will open, or just hold on Windows and R button at a time and just type Notepad so that it will open it. Okay, so with that said, so now I hope so you know how to open the Notepad application. So okay, so that is clear, right? So now, as I said, how to save some text in Notepad, or before going to this point, let me explain what is the purpose of using this Notepad, right? So the main purpose of using this Notepad is if you want to save some text, some text, okay, in a file, right? So that you can use this notepad. What kind of text you can store? Maybe you can store some address information, phone number, some rough data, you can store, and various other informations also you can store, or you can make it daily notes as well. So right, in a day how you want to plan, so, or you can use it as a diary also, okay? So you can use it like a diary as well. So these are the various things that you can use it, okay? Either you can store address, contact information, phone numbers, or if you want to write some rough data, or a daily notes, or a diary. Another example I'll give you. For example, you got a call from some of the XYZ company, and they are telling some information, or you might have got a call from your family members where they are telling some phone numbers to write, right? So what you can do, so immediately you can go to window, just type it notepad, and you can just write their phone number, some 999999, and their name as Ramu, or Ramu, John, or anything, and then immediately you can save this information, right? So this would be, it's a quick way to do it. So most of them you use it, either it can be software engineer, new to, or if you are new to using the computer or anything. So this is how they can use the notepad, okay? As I told, so what is the purpose of using this? So these are the several things that you can do when if you want to use this notepad application. I'm really saying you, so this is this will be very helpful to you. So you can write whatever you want. If you want to write some stories, if you want to save that stories, you can open a new notepad and save it, and you can write your daily notes. Everything is possible here, okay? So this is the main purpose of it. Now let's see how to save some text in notepad, okay? So here we had already opened a notepad, right? Okay, so now I wanted to write some information here. If I wanted to write some data over here, okay? So let me say, if I'm planning something, my daily routine, okay, just I'm saving it as daily routine, okay? Morning, I wanted to wake up at 6 a.m. morning wake up at 6 a.m. okay? First thing I wanted to do is morning wake up at 6 a.m. then do yoga or gym for maybe 30 minutes, 30 to 1 hour, and then or have a breakfast, and then read book or watch TV, or then after having the breakfast, reading books, or if you're staying at home, maybe you will be having several set of things, do some homeworks, or then watch some movies, and then evening, watch some movies, or then you will be going, obviously you will be having a lunchtime. So lunchtime, all these things will be there, okay? So this is how you will be planning this daily routine, and then click on file. So now you have all the data written here, right? So then after that, what you can do is, so now since you have written this text here and you wanted to save this information, so for some reason, just I want this text, so whatever the text is there, right? So this text I wanted to save it in a different format. So we will see how to increase the font size or decrease the font size in next video. But before that, so since you have written your daily routine, now we have to save this. Just click on file, then click on save. So it will ask you for where you want to save. Just click on desktop. So here you can create your new folder, and you can say like my diary, and inside this you can say my daily routine, T-I-N-E, and then click on save. Okay, now your notepad file is saved, and then you can click on close. Then you can minimize this, and then you can see my diary folder created on the desktop. Just double click on it and you can see that your notepad is there. So when you close back, and you can see this data anytime you want, you can see next day or after 1 month, 1 week, you have this completely routine. Okay, thank you for watching this. You can give your valuable comments in the below section, whether if you want any other information related to the notepad or any other things which you want to learn as part of the computer basics. I'm ready to help you all. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.